Embracing organic gardening involves nurturing your garden without relying on synthetic chemicals or pesticides. This approach is environmentally friendly, promotes soil health, and supports the overall well-being of your plants, insects, and other garden inhabitants. Here's a guide to help you get started with organic gardening. 1. Soil preparation. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful organic garden. Focus on building and maintaining fertile soil by adding compost, well-rotted manure, and organic matter. These amendments improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. 2. Companion planting. Use companion planting to create a diverse and balanced garden ecosystem. Some plants have natural properties that can help repel pests or attract beneficial insects, promoting a harmonious garden environment. 3. Crop rotation. Rotate your crops annually to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. This practice also helps maintain soil fertility and balance. 4. Mulching. Mulch your garden beds with organic materials such as straw, leaves, or wood chips. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. 5. Integrated pest management, IPM. Implement IPM techniques, which involve using a combination of strategies to manage pests while minimizing the impact on beneficial insects and the environment. These strategies may include introducing predator insects, using physical barriers, and practicing proper sanitation. 6. Natural predators. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps to inhabit your garden. They can help control pests naturally. 7. Homemade pest solutions. Create your own natural pest control solutions. For example, a solution of water, soap, and oil can be used to deter some insects. Research specific solutions for your particular pest challenges. 8. Composting. Composting kitchen scraps, yard waste, and plant clippings creates nutrient-rich soil amendments that enrich your garden naturally. 9. Avoid synthetic chemicals. Refrain from using synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and chemical fertilizers. These can harm beneficial organisms and contribute to environmental pollution. 10. Watering wisely. Water your garden appropriately, aiming to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use techniques like drip irrigation to minimize water waste. 11. Select resistant varieties. When choosing plants for your garden, look for disease-resistant and pest-resistant varieties that are well-suited to your climate. 12. Patience and observation. Organic gardening often requires more patience and observation compared to conventional methods. Monitor your garden regularly, address issues promptly, and learn from your experiences. 13. Educate yourself. Stay informed about organic gardening practices, pest management, and plant health. There are many resources, books, online forums, and local gardening groups that can provide valuable insights. By embracing organic gardening, you're creating a nurturing and sustainable environment for your plants, promoting biodiversity, and contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Remember that every garden is unique, so adapt these principles to your specific conditions and preferences.